Welcome to the How to Change Passwords tutorial. Today, you will learn how to change user passwords for your website. To change an existing user's password, first log into your website. Navigate to the Users menu tab on the left side of the screen and click it. Hover over the existing user that you'd like to edit and click Edit. Scroll down the page until you see Account Management section and either click Set New Password or click Send Password Reset Link. This will send a reset link to your user's registered email. Click Update User to save these changes. You've now learnt how to change a user password.